He who speaks to mountains and they move. And to dead dreams, he says, Talisa. We ask for mercy, but on top Calvary, merciful. He who is merciful and good. This is a testament that Jehovah is always good. I've tasted and I've seen, and my belly has become full. This is proof that the fountain of life is the giver of life. This is why we thirst and drink of him to survive. We have 7 oceans, yet he chose my belly to flow rivers of living water. Have you met with the Agune Chamber? The lion that guards the universe. When I run out of business, he stands as my chamber